Let's see what $650,000 gets you in today's market. This home here was built in 2020, features over 2,000 square feet of living space. Here we are on the main floor, an amazing open concept kitchen, dining, and living areas, 9-foot ceilings, adjacent pantry, main floor laundry, amazing. Now upstairs, we have another 1,000 square feet of finished living space featuring 4 bedrooms, this gigantic primary, big enough for your king-size bed, loads of natural light, walk-in closet, and exceptional ensuite bathroom. In the lower level, you have a partially finished basement, set up for you to enjoy your gym, storage, or a playroom for the kids. If you're looking for the perfect combination of space and functionality, you've found it here at 261 Wilson Ave in Tillsonburg. Within walking distance to Westfield Public School, this move-in ready home is sure to impress. If I can help you get through it, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck, Sutton Group Select Realty. Bye for now.